Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, what are some of Thai's conjunction words? Conjunction words are used in Thai sentences to connect ideas or thoughts. These words will help you make longer sentences, so let's learn them. The basic conjunction words in Thai include แต่ but และ and หรือ or ดังนั้น therefore and เพราะว่า because. They are put between sentences or ideas, just like in English. The first Thai conjunction we'll talk about is but. In Thai, it is แต่ It is used almost the same as in English. For example, ฉันกินได้แต่ไม่อยากI can eat, but I don't want to. You can see here that the word แต่ is put between two opposite ideas. The second conjunction word is และ or and in English. This is used in an almost identical way to the English word as well. For example, ฉันชอบกินกล้วยและส้ม I like eating bananas and oranges. It usually connects two similar ideas together. Or, which is หรือ in Thai, is used the same as and. It's placed between two similar ideas or sentences. For example, เธอจะกินกล้วยหรือส้ม Do you want bananas or oranges? To conclude a sentence in Thai, we say ดังนั้น therefore. For example, ฉันไม่กินข้าวดังนั้นฉันเลยหิว I did not eat, therefore I'm hungry. And lastly, because in Thai is เพราะว่า For example, ฉันกินกล้วยเพราะว่ามันอร่อย I eat bananas because they are delicious. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ